Hello, everyone. It's me, Claustrophobic Werewolf, and welcome back to the game of Estranged Act 1. I can't wait until the other acts because, well, as you guys saw in the last video, unless this is the first time you watched me play this, it's an awesome game. I really love this game. Let me just fix this. I'm playing this game in window mode. Okay. So let's get this started. So if you turn the flashlight. Face it to jump. Garbage can. Seized it. What was the? Oh, there we go. I'm just waiting for me to pick up one of those things. Like a creature appears and eats my brain. But let's not go that way. I think that's the way. Should I go in the water or on the thing? I'm going on this. I don't want to take any chances. Something's gonna come out and scare the living shit out of me. Everyone, be prepared. Oh, me pressing the shoot button scared me. Loading what? What are you loading? Are you kidding me? The game lagged? Oh, come on. Crap. Again? I need that ammo for later, I bet. Crap. That was not a fun lag. Oh, hello, crickets. Hey, crickets, froggies. Anyone else hear that? Now I'm scared. Oh, that's sweet, that gave me more ammo. So apparently ammo is good to have because... Oh, my flashlight still works out. So you have to conserve your flashlight. I am not good at these type of games. Conserving. Can I eat the mushroom? No. Can't become a mushroom eater. Stay away from me, zombies. Just afraid of like an actual zombie coming out. Oh! Come on. Chair? I want to kill you. Get out of here, chair. As you can tell, I'm like a safety blanket with my flashlight right now. That looks like the tree off of like... Tell me you guys heard that too. What the heck? Yep, they mutated. I think that guy's dead. Let's just make sure. That was kind of creepy. And I'm expecting I probably shouldn't use that much of my flashlight. How do you crouch? Do you carry something over here and jump over this? Probably have to carry something. I'm not even using my flashlight. No one touched my barrel. No one touched the barrel. Okay. There we go. This is a kind of creepy game. Kind of creepy. Really creepy. Freeze! When all is in doubt, you get on top of a table and kiss your butt goodbye. Which one was the crouch? Give me a second, guys. It's alright. I don't remember the controls from yesterday. Crouch, duck is control. There we go. Just me hearing that? You guys hear that too? Sounds like someone's sniffing the air. Ew. I know he was right there, but still. That was not a good idea to waste that much ammo. Crap, well, now I'm at 2 bullets. Gotta be trapping me. I'm dead. Who expects me to die right now? I know I'm gonna die. Yep, I'm so dead. Without ammo. Oh, I only have 18 bullets. Jared, be my weapon. I did something bad, didn't I? Okay, keep all of your hands, knees, everything to yourself. Thought I was gonna be a big boom. They're gonna start jumping on, aren't they? I give no free rides. None at all. Should have checked more thoroughly back there. I'll just stay on this. Yeah. Freeze! Ah, I knew you weren't dead. Soon enough. Aha, losers. Shit. Right. Holy crap! How many are here? Fox, stay away. Turk, stay away. Stop moving. Prick. Oh my Jesus. I am so not good at conserving ammo. I killed all of them, didn't I? See if it squashes. I have no more ammo. Crap. I have no more ammo, and I was just checking underneath the seats to see if there was any ammo underneath there. Oh my. I am so dead! And holy crap, there's a train. A broke engine! I am so freaking toast. Ooh, raise their hand if they think I'm toast. I do. Holy crap. I am so dead. And that lag right at the beginning kills me right now. It's just killing me. Oh shit. Well, I think this is the perfect time to stop this episode. I'm pretty sure, at least. Yep, I was losing track of the game already. I was losing track of the game. So I think it's time to start this. Stop this. Okay. I'm back. Save game. We'll save. Let's save on new save. Save. If you guys enjoyed watching me play and die at this game, or at least almost die, not quite die just yet, please hit that subscribe button and the like button below, and thank you guys for all thank you all for watching. Peace out, homies.